Good evening, sir.
Good evening, students. So we'll start in 1 or 2 minutes. So before starting, now let me show you this. Now some of you have given this. Last week we have on 14th we had this exam. No? For that, NC state is pending for some of you because this proper submission was not there. Let me show you what was the error we can say while uploading the NC sheet. See properly we have to upload in PDF format. Then only and in see, in while answering also in comment box we have to write something like answer in this now uploaded on Google Classroom something we have to this now write, then only we can give the marks, then only this now space will be there for this now giving marks. That is the main issue. Otherwise this now it will take not applicable as option, so we cannot edit that portion, so no marks for that questions. So basically every time basically you have to upload it rightly, and in comment also you have to mention uploaded or this one shared. 1 second. And most of you this now some of you I got answers, but most of you have not uploaded, I think, because I couldn't find the solution in the answer sheet. Class 10 20 21. Okay, in that if you see, so we can see based on polynomials quadratic question and this now coordinate geometry was the on 14th. Okay, see Apurva Joshi we can see, but Apurva this is also not right method. If I open, no, this should be in one PDF. See first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth number page, seventh number page. If possible for you, this now take this snapshot, and then in laptop now you can this now in one this now Word document you can paste. Let me show you how we can do, because this is for everyone, and ideal answer sheet is shared by Bhavya. We can see this should be the ideal answer sheet for all of you. Just now going ahead, name, name also full name, class, page number 1, proper writing, then proper in PDF format. This is the actual, we can say it should be like this for all the answers in one PDF with clear handwriting. One by one, I will show to everyone for all the answers which I have got. For Purva Joshi, we have seen what was the mistake. It should be in one PDF, not in single pages. So what we have to do? You can take snapshot and then open this now any Word document, and this we can paste. Suppose we have this one Word document. You can paste the image. You can paste the image in this Word document, and we can save as PDF. So here we have the save as option. Save as PDF. That thing you have to do. Save as PDF and then upload on Google. This now Classroom. Now we will come to Navneet also. See, I'll show you for everyone. So Apura Joshi, you got the this the right way, no? And for others also same process. Take snapshot, paste in Word document, then convert in PDF, then upload in this now my drive, or we can say whatever locations we have been assigned. Second one, and mostly this one only, my drive, then classroom, and 10th 2020 2021 folder. Then we have for Navneet. Navneet is not also not proper approach, because say this is opening like this. How we can check the answer? It's possible. You can tell Navneet you are there. No, no, now no need to resend. If you have, you can send. That will be helpful for me. But please try to be careful. From next time you can resend on this. You can once again you can upload. Otherwise you can send on WhatsApp. Means uploading will also be this not beneficial. So this is not the actual right way, because we have to open also. From your side also you can open and see okay what is opening or not. It is opening or not. So text is there, so it should be PDF. its format should be .pdf, right? Next one is for Sejal D. So Sejal D is surname. See, for Sejal we can see how we can correct. Sejal, are you there in the session? You are able to hear me? Right. So Sejal, you can see your answer sheet. Unmute and you can speak also. Yeah, right, you are there. So how we can see, suppose you are the teacher, how we can check the answer sheet of a student? This is your student. How we can see this is your answer sheet? Can we check properly? It's very difficult. But then also somehow we managed to check because it should be proper handwriting, proper in PDF format. And next time everyone will be careful. No problem. But next time for all of you, same instructions. We have to write in A4 sheet, then take snapshot, convert, put in this now, paste in Word, and then save this Word document as. We have the save as option. We can save as PDF, save as PDF. Here we have the option PDF, and this document will be saved as PDF, right? So, so Apurva, I think just we have joined. So Apurva, you for you also same thing. We have already discussed. So this now single page we don't have to upload one single page for one single student. All this will be in one this Word document. Then we have to save as PDF and upload on this my drive,
Okay, sir.
right? And for Navneet, once again you can send the answer sheet and see. I could see only for four of you: Apurva, then Navneet, Sejal, and Bhavya. What about others? Total 11 students attempted the test, but here only four of you have uploaded. So remaining seven can upload once again if you have the answer. Today is the last day. We can say today means today by 12 o'clock because tomorrow I have to this now we have to share the this answer sheet, or we can say we have to share this now score of top five students. Actually today only I had to share, but because some of you have not uploaded yet, so today night by today night you can upload those of you who are remaining, and by tomorrow morning so that we can check and share with the top five rankers of last test. That is important. So ideal answer sheet will be this one, same as Bhavya. So everyone will make a note of it. From next time, writing proper in one PDF, and properly you have to upload on this now Google Drive for all of you. And always one more important, always write something, especially in this is subjective question. Write like uploaded on Drive. Simply uploaded also will be fine. Something you have to write. Or best is you can write the answer also. Actually, ideally it should be answer. Suppose answer I am getting side of square, first square 18, second square 12. So I can write this one last two lines. Side of first square or side of second square. Something we have to write. Otherwise, by this now system takes not applicable. System writes there not applicable. That means we cannot give marks for those questions. Automatically, this marks will be reduced. That's why important to this for subjective question write something in comment box. Then only we can assign some marks. Right. So for this week we will have 10 chapters. 4 5 chapters you all have already completed, and apart from that we have completed this priority, then coordinate geometry, and this week now we will complete two more chapters, trigonometry and application of trigonometry. These two easy chapters we will complete, and from next week we will start triangles and other chapters. So by completing these two chapters, total chapters I think it will be near about 10 so far, because as far as my knowledge, 4 5 chapters you have done revision. No? Let me tell. Starting chapters like polynomials, quadratic questions, these chapters are completed. So and two chapters we have completed. Next two chapters we'll see in next this week. 4 plus 6 will be 10. So for 10 chapters, I will this now let you know okay, which are the 10 chapters for which we'll have this exam this week. Most surely those we have completed, those chapters will only come. And from next week, no, next week means next month, sorry, from April 1st onwards, total whatever we have tested, no, total it will be full length test, means grand test, means as per this standard of CBSE. Total all 15 chapters will come. So proper practice you can do. Try to solve one chapter daily. One chapter at least. Examples if you are not getting time. At least examples of one chapter. Minimum one chapter daily because the schools are also not there. So one chapter means one chapter. Suppose if you do maths today, then tomorrow one chapter science, then one chapter math, then one chapter science, and after this one chapter, remaining time you can study other subjects like social and English and Hindi. Right. That should be the approach because we have very less time. So Likita, you can wait for another 5 because now say today we'll join late. Actually, I joined late only. So we can you can wait for this now once the class gets off. You can wait for 5 minutes later, and we'll discuss for you. And next session you can join 10 minutes before. Not an issue. 1 second.
Sir, I resubmitted the thing, sir.
Thank you, Navneet. For others also, those who have completed and also important instructions for new students, those who have recently joined, no, so they can also attempt test till Saturday, this coming Saturday, this now 7 p.m. Coming Saturday 7 p.m. this test will be active. So those who have this now want to give multiple attempts, I think is not there. But those who have not given yet, especially recently who have joined, for them test is active till 7 p.m. Saturday, coming Saturday. So you all can give test because no, that will be for basically once you get the confidence, you can try to give and upload it same location in Google Drive. In the 10th, this weekly test folder is there. You can upload there. So this chapter will complete in 2 days, means today and we can say on Thursday. And Saturday we'll see height and distance, basically application part of trigonometry. Correct. Okay. See in trigonometry, why we study trigonometry? Basically, application part only is important because 15, 5-10 minutes we'll see the conceptual part, then we'll see the questions. Why we study trigonometry? Because suppose in Kargil war we know Indian army were IM is Indian army were at the base we can say and Pakistan army PA were at the some height. So it's very difficult to go there. Basically climbing they climbed also Indian soldiers, but it is not so easy. So so suppose this is here we have the tank, so we can project or we can align the tank so that now this bullet goes and hit there. So this alignment will be with respect to horizontal. This alignment basically will be with respect to horizontal. This angle we can say as theta. This angle theta, and how we can calculate theta value. So suppose this value we know because where we are standing we know the position of the tank basically. So this will be the half of the this the height mountain. This will be total width, and half of the width will be this one. We know the total width of the mountain. So this will be suppose x, and see now angle of elevation. Suppose this will be site. We'll see in next chapter. Next basically introduction to trigonometry. After this we have height and distance chapter. That is application of trigonometry. This is line of sight. Line is there. Line of sight. From where? From what angle we are seeing? We are this observing. So line of sight, if you know this is 60 degree, or we can suppose we know the height of the mountain, so line of sight we can know, we can find at what angle we should project this now tank. So this suppose height will be y. All we have seen in our this now previously. Tan theta will be p by b. P will be perpendicular means opposite by adjacent y by x. Suppose y is we can say 1732 meter and this is 1000 meter. So tan theta will be 1732 by 1000 that will be 1.732. That is root 3. Tan theta will be root 3. Everybody got it? Y value suppose is given, or we know the
We forgot the zero.
height of the mountain. 0 where? 1732, 1.732.
320.
Why 0? 3, 3 zeros are there. So we'll put 3 point will be before 3 digits. 1.732, right? 1 0 extra is there. 1 second, this will not be there. No problem. Say 1732 only. Fine. So root 3. So theta will be tan inverse root 3. So for what value of angle theta? We have this root 3 in tan. So tan 60 is root 3, so this will be 60 degree. So angle of projection in this case will be 60 degree. If height of the mountain is 1732 meter, and this now we can say width of the mountain plus this one, this much distance is 1000 meter. By these values we can find the angle of projection or line of sight. Opposite case, suppose this is one building and your friend is standing here and you are calling from the ground or normal base, we can say. Okay, so this will be the angle of sight, line of sight, we can say. Line of sight means G line where we are this now one this now person is seeing the other, or observer is or observing the object. This is suppose observer, this will be object. So line of sight is this one. So how we can find the angle by which from which angle it is having? So always we will take from horizontal. Always we have to take angle from horizontal. So horizontal, this will be angle how much? Theta. From horizontal always we have to take the angle. This will be theta. So this line and this line is parallel because both are horizontal. So this angle will be theta. By which
Theta.
property of the parallel lines? Alternate
Alternate angles.
interior angles. Correct. Right. So this will be angle of elevation basically. And suppose this building height is given. Suppose this is 1000 meter and this is given again 1000 meter, for example. So this tan theta we can take again. This will be p by b. P means opposite to this theta will be
Theta will be
perpendicular.
45.
So this will be 1000 and base will be 1000, right? So this will be 1. Theta will be tan will go this side. Tan inverse we will write 1. For what angle we get this one value? 45 degrees. So theta means
45.
angle of angle of elevation or angle of depression, we can say. This is a angle we are observing downside. So this angle will be angle of depression. Downside we have say if we are observing. So for this person A, we can say A and B. For this A, this angle will be angle of depression, and for this B, if B will see A, so this will be angle of elevation. Elevation is upward we are observing, and the depression is downward we are this now observing. Angle of elevation. So these things will be there in our next chapter. And also we'll see more cases. So basically here we have to basically solve this equations, or you can say find the values of theta for trigonometric ratios. So now we'll come to trigonometric ratios. See, now along with me only we have to write, because now writing is most important. Likita and other students also, same instructions for everyone. Most important part of study is writing only. Study means actually writing for math science, especially math science subject. For other subjects also, for all the subjects, writing is very crucial. All the things I'm writing, same thing you also have to write. And I will add one more thing, one more here: speak and write always. In exams also, everywhere. In exams we can speak in mind. Always speak and write to avoid the silly mistakes. That is the golden rule, we can say. Next one we'll see. We call it as trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratio because we have more than one. So ratios basically, ratio means same quantity we divide. So we have 6 trigonometric ratios. Sine is there, sine theta we can take, or sine x, or sine A, sine B, sine theta. Then we have cos theta, then tan theta, and then after that we have 3 more. What are the 3 more? Sine cos tan. After that, this will be sine cos tan. After that, what are the other
Cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta.
Sine or opposite of sine is cosec theta, cos is opposite is sec theta, correct? Tan theta opposite is cot theta, perfect. So suppose let me draw one triangle. This is the triangle, suppose, and in this case we have ABC is a triangle, and angle theta is here, angle A. So carefully now we will write the values. What will be value of sine theta? So always remember theta. See, theta is this now connected with this
Sin
base,
theta opposite by
AC
hypotenuse.
by AC.
right? So this theta will be, we can say, is connected
Sin
with,
theta is opposite by hypotenuse.
what will be the value? Value will be right. So I got the answer from Bhavya. So all the students can answer this one. What will be the value?
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Right. What will be opposite value? BC. Someone said some problem.
Hypotenuse by opposite. Cosec theta.
Right. So
Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse.
right.
And tan theta is opposite by adjacent.
BC by basically AB. So see, theta is there, no? So always this angle 90, this angle 90. So for trigonometric ratios, now trigonometric ratios we always take angle. This now always we have the right angle triangle. Always we will have the right angle triangle, and 90 opposite is how always hypotenuse, small h. Theta, which is, see, this is hypotenuse. So theta is connected with two sides. This one AC and this one AB. So AB will be base because theta is lying with AB, because hypotenuse, we know hypotenuse is AC. So remaining side is AB. So AB will be base, and opposite to this theta will be perpendicular. Sin theta is basically P by H, and we can write opposite by adjacent. BC by AC is the right value, correct? Second one,
AB by AC.
right. I got the answer from all of you. Okay. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta is sin theta by cos theta 1 by theta. Right. So most of you have given me right answer. So this will be, we can say, cos theta will be AB by B by H, basically AB by AC, that will be B by H, and tan theta will be P by B. Tan theta will be P, perpendicular, means BC by AB, P by B, perpendicular by base. What is cosec theta? 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. So what is sin theta? P by H or BC by AB. The opposite of this will be AB by BC.
AB by BC.
Always now remember, we don't have to remember AB by BC. We have to remember cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So cos theta is AB by AC. This will be AC by AB. And last one, cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Always remember cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So tan theta is BC by AB. This will be AB by BC. Always also tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is this one. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So cot theta will become cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta will be the cot theta value. Fine. Okay.
So cosec theta should be AC by BC.
Cosec theta is right. One side P by H AC. Why have you written here? See, sin theta is P by H, so BC by AC. Right. Here is correction. BC by AC. So here also right, correct. AC by BC because H by B. H by B will be the value. Second thing. Let me open one side because I am not able to write. One side. Let me open. Okay, no problem. See. So we'll use Zoom whiteboard. Some problem is there. So now we know the values. Now we'll see 6 geometric ratios values. Suppose we have sin theta, then cos theta, tan theta, then cosec theta, sec theta, and then cot theta. Theta we can take 0 degree up to 90 degree. We have this in the syllabus. 30 degree, 45 degree, then 60 degree, and we have 90 degree. Right. So what are the values basically? Sin 0,
0.
sin 0, 0, right?
1 by half, sin 30,
Sin
half,
30,
sin
half,
45, 1 by root 2,
1 by root
sin
2.
60,
Sin 60 is
root 3 by 2,
3 by 2. And sin
91.
1, correct. And reverse will be this one.
It
See,
will be the
only
reverse of sine.
only we have to remember sign value. So this will be 1, and then this will be root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
Correct, correct.
1
And
by
then
root
we
2.
have 1 by root 2.
1 by
Then
2.
this will come here. 1 by 2. Correct. So this will be 1 by 2, and this will be 0. Then tan is sine by cos. Tan is sine by cos. What will be the values? Just we have to remember
0,
sine
1 by
values.
root 3.
0,
by
1 by root 3.
0 by
0 by 1 is 0.
1, root 3.
1 by root 3.
by root 3.
Everyone should get the values. 1,
1 by 2.
1,
root
1
3,
root 3,
1.
and 1.
See, one important thing here. See, because normally we get the tan theta values only in next chapter, that is height and distance application of trigonometry. So there now mostly confusion is between tan 30 and tan 60, because we know tan 45 is 1. So how we can resolve this confusion? See, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So tan theta value will be matching with sin theta. Matching means sin theta increases. See, 0 is 0, 1 by 2 is 0.5, 1 by root 2 is 0.707, root 3 by 2 is 0.866, and 1 is 1. So see, you can observe 0 more than 0, 0.5 more than 0.5, 0.707, more than 0.70, 0.866, and this is 1, because root 3 we know is 1.732 by 2, 0.866. So value is increasing, so tan value will also increase. So this will be 0, 1 by root 3 is 0.577, and 1, root 3 is 1.732, 1. So this is infinity, sorry. Because why infinity? Because sine by cos. Sine is 1 and cos is 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. 1 by 0 is infinity. Not defined basically. So that is infinity value. So we can write as infinity. So infinity is very high value, we can say. That is not defined, but it will be more than root 3, that is sure. So 1 by root 3, we know 1.57, it is increasing. So definitely this 30 will be less. Less means 1 by root 3. 60 will be more, that is root 3, that we know. So based on this observation, we can remember the value of tan 30 and this now tan 60. Now cosec, we will write the values of cosec theta. So cosec theta will be 1 by sin theta. So what will be the values? 1 by 0. 1 by 0 will be
Infinity.
Ajit, Likitas, everyone is getting this value, infinity. 1 by 0 is infinity, right? 1 by 0, because how we can get the infinity? Because we have this now. How many times will this now? We can go for table of 0 to get 1. No time will get. This will be infinity. 1 by 0 is 0, but 0 by 1 is 0, but 1 by 0 is infinity. Now this value 1 by 2 reverse 2, 1 by root 2 reverse root 2. This will be 2 by root 3.
2 root 3.
2 by root 3, no? Reverse of
Yes,
root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. And 1 by 1 is 1. See, 1 by sin theta, 1 by 0 infinity. 1 by 1 by 2 means opposite of reciprocal, basically we have to write 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, and 1 by 1 is 1. Now, right. So, sec will be 1 by cos theta. sec will be 1 by cos theta, right? So cos theta 1 by 1 1, this will be reverse of this order, we can reverse 2 by root 3, this will be root 2, and then this will come here 2 and 1 by 0 infinity. Last one is cot theta is 1 by tan theta, or we can write cos theta by sin theta also. Cos theta, this can also be written as cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta. So 1 by tan theta also, no problem. 1 by 0 again, 1, say with this order we can reverse for cot theta, because cot theta is opposite of tan theta, so this order will be reversed infinity, then this root 3, and then we have 1 by 1 1 by root 3, and here we have 0 value. See how we can remember here also this confusion, cot 30 and between cot 60. So how we can resolve this confusion? We have to see the values, two values. Cot 45 we know 1, cot 30 and cot 60. In examination also cot 30 and 60 can come, because between 0 and 90 they will ask 0 and 90. At 0 and 90, because I have shared with you now syllabus of maths and science. Syllabus means portion of which have deleted for math science. So in that they have written in geometry portion. Every chapter we have to do only those topics which are coming nicely, not entire book, because that will be more beneficial. After examination, if somebody wants, they can solve optional question also, and also remaining questions also. But before exams, only till boards, only the portion which are coming. So there where they have mentioned not 0 degree and 90 degree. So basically they will ask the values between 0 and 90, that is 30, 45 and 60 in this coming examination. So cot 30, cos 60, how we can remember? First one is opposite of tan. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, so this will be root 3. Tan 60 is root 3, so opposite of root 3, 1 by root 3. First thing. Second thing, cot value is cos by sine. Cot value is cos by sine. Cos by sine. So cot value, cot theta will be matching with cos, and also one more thing, C for cot and C for cos. So value is matching. So cot theta values variation will be along with cos theta. Cos theta we can see cos theta decreases 1 point this now 866 point this now 1 by root 2 is 0.707, 0.5, and this 0 is decreasing basically. So this cot will also decrease. Cot will decrease means cot 30 will be more, it is decreasing, than cot 60. Cot 30 root 3 and cot 60 1 by root 3. This was the value. I hope everyone has written the values. So along with me you have to write, and also you have to understand all together. Any doubt, any question you can ask me anytime. That's while session is happening. In between also you can interrupt. So Likita, you got the answer. समझ में आया आपको सब सारा? So next thing we'll see, we'll randomly I will take some values and you have to
So
answer.
once can you explain the last part, last three ratios,
Last
like
three ratios.
cosec, second, cot 1.
Okay, see. So we have to, first thing important point, we don't have to remember these values. Many students, what they do, they try to mug up these values. What we have to remember? First one only. First one means first row. Only first one. No other row we have to remember. And by practice we will come to know remaining values. First one is sin theta 0. Sin we know it increases along with theta. Sin 0 0. Sin 31 by 2. Then more than 1 by 2 will be 0.707, that is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 91. And remaining values we have to, this now we have to know the relation. Cos theta will be reverse order. Tan is sin by cos. Cosec we have to know 1 by sin. Cosec theta, what value we have to remember? This relation we have to remember. Cosec is 1 by sin. So sin theta we know, sin 0 0. 1 by 0 will be infinity. 1 by 0 is infinity. Say 0 by 1 is 0. Because how many times we go for this table in 1 to get 0 value? 0 times. 1 into 0, the answer will be 0. But 1 by 0, 0 how many times we read to get the values 1? Never will get. So this will be infinity. 1 by 0 is infinity, 0 by 1 is 0. 0 by 2 also 0. 0 by any finite value is 0. 0 by 5 also 0. We know these values. So 1 by 0 is infinity. 1 by 2 opposite, basically reciprocal. 1 by 1 by 2, that is 2. Opposite of this one, reverse order, reverse value of this one, root 2. Reverse value of this one, 2 by root 3. And 1 value, reverse of 1, 1. Fine. So we have to remember sign, and then accordingly we can get the values of cosec theta, because we know the relations. So cosec is 1 by sine. Sec theta we'll see. Sec is 1 by cos. So cos value we know. Reverse order of not reverse value, reverse order of sign. So 1 by 1 is 1, 1 by this is root 3 by 2 reverse value, reciprocal value 2 by root 3, 1 by root 2 opposite root 2, 1 by 2 reverse 2 because 1 by 2 that will be 2, 1 by 0 again we are getting here 1 by 0 because 1 by 0 that is infinity. Then cot we know 1 by tan and 1 cos by sine also we can do, or 1 by tan. Tan value we know 0 is 0, so 1 by 0 is infinity, or we can take reverse order of tan, infinity, then root 3, then 1, then this 1 by root 3 will come here and then 0, or 0 1 by 0 infinity, here will be right 0 1 by 0 because this is reciprocal basically 1 by tan theta. We can put the values of tan theta 1 by 0 infinity. Then we have 1 by root 3, that will be root 3, 1 by 1 and 1 by root 3, and here this will be 1 by 0 by 1. Last value is infinity basically, sorry, infinity. Last one is infinity, so infinity 1 by infinity basically, 1 by infinity will be 0. We have to know this value. 1 by 0 is infinity, so 1 by infinity will be, infinity will come here, then 0 will go there. 1 by infinity is 0. 1 by infinity is 0. Fine, no? Everyone understood? Now we'll see some random values I will take, and you have to this now for sine cos tan only 3 values, cosec sec cot, in questions we'll see, but normally mostly sine cos tan values is required most often. So what is value of sine 30? Then you can use chat, otherwise you can unmute and speak also, no, not an issue. Tan 30 cot 60 and these values only. So I already have got answers from Likita. Okay, fine. Basic values we have to remember, right? All are correct. So sine 30 we know this is 1 by Likita, how much? 1 by 2, correct, no problem, because sine increases, sine along with theta, sine will increase. Sine 60 will be right, Bhavya. So sine 60 will be
root 3 by 2.
correct. Cos 30 will be equal to sine 60, so cos 30 will be root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
And next one is tan 30. How much will be tan 30?
1 by root 3. 1 by root 3.
Everyone should get the values right. Perfect. Cot 60. Tan 60.
1 by
root 3.
Again 1 by root 3. See, one more hint, or we can say basically this is formula only. Sin 30 will be equal to cos 60. Cos 60 will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And cot 60 will be equal to tan 30. 60 plus 30, 90. We have to see the addition of angle 90. It should be 90. So basically we can write in summary. Let me complete. Tan 0 is 0 and sin 90 will be 1.
1.
Tan 0 0 sin 90 1. So let me this now you can we can write one table for this now complementary angles. Sin 0 will be equal to first cos 90 will be equal to 0. Sin 30 will be equal to cos 60 because both are 30 plus 60 90, both will be equal to 1 by 2. Sin 60 will be equal to
Hello.
cos, yes,
नाही आलं. मला काय माहित, मला बोलून जातोस का? आलंच नाही घरी.
cos 30 will be equal to
नाही,
cos 60.
मी ट्युशन मध्ये आहे, मी नंतर बोलते.
Sin 60 will